some chocolate chip scones. You're going to need 2 cups of Bisquick, I've measured out 2 cups of Bisquick. Now you're going to need half a cup of chocolate chips. You're going to need a 1/3 cup of heavy whipping cream, 3 tablespoons granulated sugar, then you're going to need 1 large egg, one teaspoon of vanilla. Make sure you pre-spray your baking pan with some kind of cooking spray. I'm using Baker's Joy. It has flour in it. I've got it lined with parchment paper too. Now what you're going to do is you're going to mix all of this until soft dough forms. I got this all mixed up, and this is what it should look like a soft dough. And put it into the baking pan. Now I'm just going to add just a little bit of flour on it. Just the Bisquick. I'm adding a little bit more on there so it'll help push this out. Okay, I'm going to finish pushing this out and then I'll be back. I pushed some of it with the palm of my hand too because it was hard trying to get this formed with that spatula. Just use the back of your palm, flour it with some Bisquick, and then take a little bit of heavy whipping cream and brush it the top like this. Don't take much. Then take a little bit of sugar, like maybe a teaspoon, and put a little bit on top. And then you're going to take a butter knife, dip it into the Bisquick. Then you're going to cut wedges, not all the way through. It says 8 wedges. Just like that, the top. You just move the knife across. Like that. Just make sure it doesn't go all the way through. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Seven, 8. There. The reason you're doing this is so it'll come out moist. And then you're going to put it in a 425 degree oven for 12 minutes. I let it cool down. I'm going to cut into it. Let me try it for you. See the chocolate chips in there? Okay, Okay, so let me try it. It's not bad. It's not that sweet as I thought it would be. I think I would suggest adding a little bit more sugar on top if you want it sweeter. But it's not bad. It's pretty good. It's sweet enough. But yeah, I would have added more sugar on it. It's up to you how sweet you want it. Thank you for watching. If you're not subscribed, I hope you'll subscribe. Click the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. Bye.